Welcome to the place. These are the girls' Diwania, and this is the boys' Diwania, and this is the playground, and this is the swimming pool area. See? And let's check out the kids because they were swimming inside the swimming pool. These are the swimming pools of the kids. And the playrooms. Wait girls, so mainit. Mainit. Ano ba 'to, Yupin? Charan, welcome to my vlog. Naka-video. Welcome to my villa. ito na yung foundation ko. Alin na kayo, pasok na kayo dito. Ito na, dito na napunta. Ay, bismillah, dito na kayo. Yung boys doon ha, yung girls only here. Okay lang kami, iwan mo na lang dito. Yalla. Saan si ano mo?
Mamaya pa.
Dito
na. Kailangan nandito.
Pasok. Welcome to our mansion. Welcome to the mansion. Sarap loob.
Kasi di ba yan? Ganto ka na. Mag-iglit ka dyan. Pagpawis.
Complete. Manatay tubig di pero katong dagko. Manatay tubig pero dagko.
Don't throw your baso.
Wow, it's fruits, full of fruits. See?
Wala tayong pang ganito.
2 a.m. It's 2 a.m. It's like a late dinner and early breakfast. This one. See?
Kayo, mga...
Kain na kayo.
Barbecue. Yala kids, dig in. Bismillah.
Pas na lang yung ano, chicken.
Oo. Ayan na, mahiga.
Sit down na, sit down.